welcome back to Killer Fitness. Today we're breaking down the deadlift, the king of all lifts. This exercise builds total body strength, hitting your back, glutes, hamstrings and core while improving posture. Stand with your feet hip width apart and the barbell over your midfoot. Hinge at the hips and grip the bar just outside your knees. Pull your shoulders back and keep your chest up. Drive through your heels as you lift the bar. Keep it close to your body. Lock out at the top by engaging your glutes and stand tall. Lower the bar in a controlled manner. Avoid rounding your back. Keep it neutral throughout the lift. Don't yank the bar off the ground. Use steady, controlled force. Pro tip: think of pushing the floor away with your feet rather than pulling the bar up. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.